Exercise 26. In a survey, 52% of the respondents indicated they prefer online shopping. So we had a preference of 52% on online shopping. The actual percentage, however, of all people who prefer online shopping is expected to be between 46 and 58. So there was a wide range from 46 to 58% of actual people preferring online shopping. What is the margin of error for this survey? So since the survey indicates the 52% and there is a range from 46 to 58, we can clearly see that the difference between 46 to 52 is equal to 6 units, while at the same time the difference between 52 and 58 is also 6 units. That means that the margin of error in this case is 6%. And the right question for this is, the right answer for this would be B.